Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. You're watching Pacific Northwest Prospecting, and you're watching the last episode of 2019. So what are we doing today? Well, I thought I would sit down with you and we'd go over what we did this year. I've been really busy these last few weeks, so I haven't had a chance to upload, so I thought I'd take some time today to make a video and let you know what's been going on. I've been really busy doing my locksmithing, and I'm really enjoying that, and I am itching to get to the beach here soon. The beach is being torn up right now with the winter storms, and that's a great thing. It's going to expose all that black sand that we need for some awesome beach mining, and I'm looking forward to going there really soon. But what did we do this year? This year was a great year for me. Not only did I get to go out a lot with my buddy Chris and do some great mining, I also got to go out with my buddy Corey and do some dredging with him, and I got to make some new friends and take them out and do some beach mining. This was also a great year because, as I said, I got a dredge, which has been a dream of mine for a really long time, and I got the chance to use it multiple times and got to tune it in using Gold Hog mats. As well as that, I got my wife a Gold Cube, which I'm really happy to say that she's super excited to use this coming season. I also got some Dream Mat, as you can see behind me, and I also got a small one here that I'm making a box for. It's been a great year. I also traveled down to Southern Oregon and did some mining on the Umpqua River with my buddy Chris, and we got to go down to the shop where Holly's heaters were made, and we got to see some really big nuggets. That was a lot of fun. So, what's in store for 2020? Well, we're going to be getting more gold, of course. I'm going to be going out and trying to find a claim to actually own. That way we can have a spot that we can continually go to and try to get some bigger gold. We're also going to be going after some rocks. We're going to be going places like Agate Beach. We're going to be going after fire opal. We're going to go after agates. We're going to do some rock hounding. That's going to be a lot of fun, and I think the kids are really going to enjoy that. We're also going to be interviewing other prospectors and trying to get some great stories of miners from the past here in the Pacific Northwest. We're also going to be going over some of the geology here in the Pacific Northwest and talking about where some of that gold that we get comes from and where it used to be deposited. So in some of that, we're going to be interviewing some geologists, and we're going to be talking about some of the ancient rivers that went across Oregon and Washington and how they've changed their position from then to now. We're also going to be doing some gear reviews. We're going to be reviewing the Dream Mat against Gold Hog mat in different scenarios with different size gold, because every mat, I believe, works. You just have to find what situations work best for the mats. It's kind of hard to say, but I believe everything can be caught in the right situation. We're also going to be talking about filming tips that I do for making my videos and the gear that goes into that. There's a lot of us that have been getting out more and more, and people are starting to record their adventures, and I think that's awesome. I want more people to do it, and I want them to know some of the gear that I use when I make my videos. I'm really happy with the gear that I have, and I think that I have the perfect kit for going out and recording this stuff. But we can't really have a video without some gold. So, I have all the gold that I've gotten from the beach this year, and I want to see how much I got. This is the gold that we got on video, as well as a few other trips that I got that were not on video because I kind of lost some footage, or I just went down there because it was family time. So, let's see what we got. Okay, so we got the scale all set up. Let's get it zeroed out. We've got the gold right here. Let's see how we did this year. I'm excited. .58 grams for 2019. Heck yeah. So I'm pretty darn happy with that amount. I plan on getting more this year. We're going to be getting in more trips to the beach, as well as getting some bigger gold in the river. So I really hope that you'll like this video and subscribe down below, because 2020 is going to be an even better year, and I look forward to seeing you there. Bye. All right.